Hey guys, so this is day 3, so today we're going to Disneyland. So I don't know what kind of transportation we'll take, but see you there. Okay. So we have arrived at Hong Kong Disneyland. Finally guys, finally. Oh, Mickey is surfing. Oh, definitely surfing over there. Hey guys, yeah, so we're going to dig in first, we're going to eat first, and then after that, more adventure waits. See you. Hey guys, yeah, so wait, let me focus. Hey guys, yeah, so we're going to play now. Yeah, so that's the stuff expo over there. Looks like this will be pretty dope. I have to admit guys, vlogging in public really is awkward. Okay, this thing looks super creepy guys. Yep, not gonna stay here. Yep, let's go and be an Iron Man. I don't know how does it feel, but I know it'll be pretty dope. Oh, I'm in the Star Expo. Jarvis. I do not know why am I doing this. Why am I doing this?
It would be so great and so much fun if you would all join in. And now, let's begin. You will board my boat and restore the heart of Tefiti.
Tefiti goes up. Wow!
You have to!
Moana was an enjoyable one, so let's go to the treehouse over there.
Close till I get up.
This will be a pretty excited one.
I don't wanna waste what's left.
Hey there, hey there. Hey, want my hand?
It's all we
So that's a pretty weird crying fit.
we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
This is going to be interesting. Looks like I have a carriage. Going inside this house, yeah. Whoa, this is really dope, guys.
Hello there. Yeah, I was just looking for... Oh, there's the music box I told you about.
Hey there.
I must find
Oh,
my
there's the
little
music
friend.
box. There's the music box, guys. Okay, Mischievous album. That's magic. Horror. It's a such a crazy journey, bro. I hope this girl doesn't move. This girl is so creepy. Oh, okay, it's Medusa. Okay, that was pretty dope, right, guys? Super dope. I just bought a new car. Yeah.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the
It's the Mickey Mouse show.
till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't